Hi everybody, this is Chris.Buystedt out here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. I just wanted to take a few minutes and show you this great trailer that we've got out here. It's a 2018 Keystone Outback 314 UBH. This is a couple slides in here. It's a bunkhouse. It's a really neat trailer, great floor plan. I want to show you the inside. I think it might be great for your family. Let's take a look. You know, like every great bunkhouse, this has got a great outdoor kitchen on the outside as well. And you've got, look at this, a couple nice bunks right up here. So guys, I had wondered, are these mattresses comfortable? Well, I actually had a chance to sleep in these, and they are very comfortable, believe it or not. They're firm enough and soft enough to really get a good night's sleep. You could sleep a couple adults up here, a couple adults down here, 4 kids, whatever. If they bring the cousins and the friends, you got lots of room for people to sleep. Nice big bathroom. Got a little tub in there, skylight and a fan. And look at this living area. Isn't this beautiful? You've got a nice sofa that pulls out into a sleeper as well. You've got a dinette that will also pull down into a sleeper. You've got extra storage underneath. All of this wonderful cabinetry. There's a lot of places for all your items. All these nice drawers, quality drawers on metal sliders. Nice hardware. Look how deep this goes back here. Boy, you can get a bunch of food back there. It's fantastic. Got a nice shelf up there too for some extra items. You got your oven, your 3-burner gas stove and microwave. A really nice fridge and freezer. Lots of room for food, which is what you need when you have a family. You're taking a bunch of people, you need a lot of space. And look at this, space galore for food. That's fantastic. And you've got a nice TV and entertainment setup right here where you can actually see it from all areas, which is really nice. Even the kids could watch TV. Come back here and check out this bed. This is a little bit different. It's got a slide out, so the bed is a walk-around bed. It's a queen. Look at this mattress. Look how nice that is. That's quality. Look up underneath of this. You've got all that extra space to put blankets, pillows, duffel bags, whatever you'd need to put under there. Even maybe something for safekeeping. And there is just a ton of space in here for clothes. It's one of the things that I hear oftentimes is people, you know, a lot of ladies have clothes and shoes and hanging clothes, and they want to be able to keep things wrinkle free, and you have that ability in here. With all that hanging room, lots of place for storage. You even got a nice dresser down here, a couple drawers there for things that you would need, and your own private door right off of the master bedroom. This trailer would be fantastic for a family. You sleep a lot of people, and it's a lot of great living space. I would love to show this to you. We've got several others that you would probably be interested in as well. Feel free to give me a call. My name is Chris.Buystedt. My number is 541-636-7878.